It's Dawn and Brian Dillard here. We are here at the Electrify Expo. It's huge. There's a race going on over there for all our EUC folk. And over here, this is the InMotion stand. What do you call this? InMotion booth.
Yes.
And oh my gosh, you guys, they have a ton of these little E20s. This one is mine. But look, there's so many of them. There's like a little army of them. So this is a power button, and there is no spin kill on this. It's just a power button. It's about $300, and it has, oh, can I show this? It has 2 wheels on it. But you know what it's good for? Even for a rider like me, it was good to teach me how to free mount again, because I have to relearn everything. And free mounting was something hard to do. So what have you been telling people that have been coming here to learn how to ride?
We've been getting a lot of people here. It's been a constant line. So our main thing that we've been trying to do is just get people on these devices as fast as possible. And we've been finding that it has been very effective with teaching people how to ride.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is so good about it?
The 2 tires, so
it's going
really
away.
Yeah, like if you notice, it stands by itself. It's a characteristic that no other unicycle can currently do. This removes a lot of the side-to-side balance needed to learn how to ride a unicycle, which is the biggest hurdle, right?
Yeah.
So this device allows people to stand on easier, and it gets them used to the gyro, which, you know, learning how to lean forward and back and building connection with this type of device. And as soon as they're able to get comfortable with this, which is a pretty short time, we do have another model called the V6, which is a single tire version of this, but it's a pretty fat tire. So we're trying to find ways where we can get people started as fast as we can, because unicycles in general has always been something that has a high learning curve. So whatever we can do to make that learning curve easier for newer riders, we can use to help grow the community and get more people into this amazing hobby.
Yeah, so one of the great things about this is that the biggest thing about EUCs is the learning curve. And this does cut down on that a little bit. It helps you free mount, and since it will hold itself up, it's completely, what's it called? What's the word? It's self-balancing. Yeah. So it's totally self-balancing.
We say unicycles are self-balancing already, but now it truly is self-balancing.
Yes, this one truly is self-balancing. All right, let me take it around. How do I push this thing down?
So there's a button right here.
Okay.
Bring that down. I'll pull out the pedals for you.
Yay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, let's see what I can do here.
If you already know how to ride a unicycle, it's going to feel a little weird at first because you're used to turning easily, but this does have a little bit more effort needed to turn.
All right, so one thing that it did help show me was how to free mount, because I can trust that this thing will hold onto me. So now I'm riding it, and yeah, turning it is a little weird, but you know what Albert said? Albert said that turning it is weird for riders, but to non-riders, it's totally normal, because this is how non-riders act. So, and plus non-riders are learning so much about how to move, how to turn, how to go backward. Oh wait, I wanted to try backwards. Wait, can I even? Okay, one good thing is no matter how, okay, there's no one behind me. Ah! Oh my gosh, I almost fell backwards. Okay, I couldn't go backwards.
Oh shit, you didn't have any exerting?
Oh. Here comes pros. All right, let's see if I can get on this thing again. I do a little kickoff, because I do know that the more balance that you have, the more momentum that you have forward, the more balance that you have. So one thing that's really hard for these is to, see, it feels weird because you want to just go on one tire, but it's on 2 tires. So the turning is a little bit weird on it, but you can learn to go backwards. You can learn all the basics on this thing that can then transfer to other wheels. So after free mounting on this thing, which is totally self-balancing, and I needed to trust that it is, then I was able to free mount on the Falcon, which is what I need to do, because I need to free mount on everything. All right, so there we go. We got some riders doing cool stuffs around here. That's it for the E20, the InMotion E20. This is a highly recommended wheel for beginners, and I have really enjoyed them. Oh my gosh, look at him going on one leg.
I've ridden the V14 for like
Here,
400 miles.
look at these guys.
I was borrowing it from a friend.
Oh my gosh, I'm already at tilt back. Okay, I've tilt back this thing twice now. Yesterday I tilt back on it too. I don't know, it goes really slow. Like 15 miles an hour? I don't even know. I was going so slow though, and I was like beeping and tilting back on me. So yeah, no bueno. As far as a real rider goes. But as a beginner rider, oh my gosh, this thing is absolutely invaluable. So there we go. Let me show you the wheel again as he runs away. Look at him running away. Look at him going. All right, so there he is. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.